Good morning, SB House students. Welcome to your Services Action tutorial on how to set up your ManageBack for your service action activities. So first, you will need to log into ManageBack. Once you are in ManageBack, there are many different options. It looks something like this. You can, from here, go to your dashboard, which is right along the side if you choose to put it there, and you are going to go to I think it's portfolio. Oh, no, we're not doing that one. We're going back. I had it. I just practiced. Oh, go to your MYP IB manager. Okay, it looks like it has a little MYP right underneath your calendar. Click on the very first one or whichever one says SA, Service as Action. Click on that. Wait for it to load. Hopefully it's fast. Once you are here, you can see what is services action, the emphasis on developing community awareness, those types of things. Now, this is where you need to be. You can see here, there's interview notes. You can post your journal entries here if you would like. Step by step, what you need to do is you need to go to the top right corner, right here, see where it says Add Service Activity, Services Action Activity. Click on that with your mouse. Once it loads up, you will see here a form that you fill in online. This allows you to upload different things to it as the year goes on. So for this year, service action activity, the student is going to be doing the textbook creation for SLH Lampung. Okay, that is it. Location. It is going to be in school and out of school. We'll be going on a field trip there. It'll count as both. You can choose whichever you want. If you are doing a majority of your work in the classroom with a group, put in school. If it's out of school, like working maybe in the library down the road or something like that, that's all out of school. Service hours. You can click on the little arrow to add as many as you want. Your Bible teacher will tell you how many. We're just going to put 20 hours in because that's pretty typical. Start date is today. End date is March 1st. This is when I want to have it all finished. We'll be back from our field trip by then. March 1st is the day that we will be doing. We'll go March 8th. That'll be the day we give our presentation. Supervisor name for this year is Ibu Kasuma. Okay, supervisor title. Teacher. Okay, pretty easy. Supervisor email, you can put her email in there, all sorts of things. Description and goal. We are going to share with the IB what you're going to be doing, creating new learning resources for the SLH school to use in the classroom. So you can say we've learned that there's many books that need to be replaced. However, they don't have the funding or the money to do it. So we are translating or creating our own textbooks to Bahasa Indonesia so that they can be used there. So we are going to click on our target outcomes next, which are given to you by your Bible teacher, your services action coordinator. And so go to your notes, find out whichever one it is for your class that you're working on. We want to do challenge and new skills, right, and global value, okay. Organization that you're working with is going to be SLH, Sekolah Lentera Harapan, based out of Indonesia, okay. Activity aim, to provide sustainable or quality educational material for the school that lives basically off the grid in Lampung. Once I've done that, I will click Add Service Action Activity. Once I've added it, there is many options. Your Bible teacher will be telling you what to do. You'll have this description of goals right here. It's all here what you've done. Now, message board, what's been happening. Add reflections and evidence. So as you're working through, you have journals, add edit activity, delete activity. We're not doing that yet. Right? Add reflection and evidence. This is your journal entries. These are photos from the time when you're working on your project, your video evidence, and then we'll create a little documentary of your service as action as our presentation this year. Hopefully COVID is over with, but we never know. So this is how you do it. You'll be coming back to this. If you do not create this activity, you can't add your reflection and evidence to it. And you'll simply have to do it again later in March, and then you won't have any of your journal entries in. Service action completion form, you can that will be given to your Bible teacher as well. Your teacher will be able to go in and do that for you. Mark it as complete. With that said, I hope you enjoy. Please do this as soon as you can after your teacher has given you your update on what you will be doing for service as action.